Toby, what happened?
I lost in spoons. Now they're gonna have me do a dare.
And we're probably heading to the park. So we'll meet you at the park. It's a recording. Okay, so we figured out what Toby's loser dare is. Now we're gonna invite him over to tell him what it is. So we'll get back to you in a minute when Toby's over here. Okay, so hey, shut up, you two. Those two are massive L's. Okay, so Toby's loser dare. He has the doorbell ditch the bishop if he doesn't have a smart camera. If he does, then he doesn't. He does?
Yeah.
That has to do Mario.
Mario has a smart camera.
We will find somebody to
Ethan.
doorbell ditch. We'll doorbell ditch Ethan. Or Peach. We'll doorbell ditch Peach. We'll doorbell ditch Peach. And we'll get back to you when we're there. See you in a minute. Whoop.
Okay, we are here at Ethan's house and I am ready to doorbell ditch.
Okay.
Watch me do what?
So Bryson has to leave. This is gonna be the end.
See you guys next time. Subscribe, leave a like. Enjoy this video.
And here's some other videos down below. Whoa!
No, he started choking on that
Okay,
toe.
we're at new locations because of...
Toby's sucking on a toe. And then he started choking on something else.
Okay, so it's me, Toby's round.
Oh, it's the round I'm
Okay.
leaving. You better not mess this up.
And then the spoon is somewhere over there.
Can I go get another cookie?
Give me one, too.
Sure.
Give
Just
me
one.
One, give me one.
Oh yeah, Jordan, you have to be right here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, you
1,
can
2,
stand right
3,
here actually.
4. Here for Quinn.
It's
Here for
two of
me.
us.
You clown.
I can be the dude. Do that.
The Doom-met. The Met of Doom.
Watch out, I'm moving this over.
Oh, right at this
Hey,
moment.
it's fatty.
No, I'm sitting there, you fat fatty. You're a clown.
So,
No.
Toby!
Did I check this one again?
Just hold it.
no, why don't we just put it up there?
Sure.
Why are you recording us? Aren't you? You're supposed to be my teammate.